Hello everyone and welcome to the Best Tech Pick channel. Today we're diving into the world of 3D printers to review three of the most exciting models on the market: the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE, the Anycubic Kobra 2, and the Elegoo Saturn S. Each of these printers is packed with unique features and designed to deliver incredible performance for different needs. But which one deserves the crown as the best 3D printer of 2025? Stick around until the end of the video to find out the winner. Let's get started. First up, we have the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE, a fantastic option for beginners and hobbyists. This FDM printer is reliable, user-friendly, and super easy to set up. It takes less than 10 minutes. Its CR Touch Auto Z offset sensor completely eliminates the need for manual bed leveling, meaning you can get a perfect first layer without any adjustments. The direct drive extruder makes it compatible with flexible filaments like TPU, and the spring steel bed ensures excellent adhesion and easy part removal. Plus, its full-color LCD screen, while not touchscreen, is large and intuitive to navigate. The streamlined design integrates components neatly, reducing clutter and providing a more organized printing experience. With its compact footprint and quiet operation, it's also a great choice for small spaces or shared work environments. Additionally, the sturdy build quality ensures long-term reliability, making it a solid investment for new 3D printing enthusiasts. Next, we have the Anycubic Kobra 2, a true powerhouse that redefines speed and precision. With an impressive print speed of up to 500 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 10,000 millimeters per second squared, it saves significant time even on large projects. The LiveIQ 2.0 automatic leveling system and smart Z-axis compensation ensure perfect calibration every time, making it beginner-friendly. Its huge build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters can accommodate both large models and multiple smaller pieces in one go. The direct extruder and metal dual-axis structure provide high accuracy and stability, minimizing issues like uneven layers. What's more, the Bluetooth-enabled Anycubic app allows for remote control, firmware updates, real-time monitoring, and much more, creating a seamless smart printing experience. Each printer undergoes rigorous quality control, ensuring reliability. Combining speed, precision, and advanced features, this model truly stands out. Finally, let's talk about the Elegoo Saturn S, a resin printer designed for users who demand exceptional detail and precision. Its 9.1-inch 4K monochrome LCD delivers outstanding resolution and reduces layer printing time to just 2 to 3 seconds, making it incredibly efficient. The matrix light source with 54 UV LEDs ensures even light distribution, resulting in smooth, detailed models. The double linear guide rail on the Z-axis enhances stability and minimizes layer shifting. With a build volume of 196 x 122 x 210 millimeters, it can handle larger models or multiple smaller pieces simultaneously, boosting productivity. Additionally, the activated carbon filter effectively reduces resin fumes, creating a more pleasant work environment. Its energy-efficient design reduces heat emission, extending the printer's lifespan up to 3 times. For those focused on complex designs and professional quality results, this printer is a powerful tool. So, who's the winner of 2025? While all three printers offer incredible features, one stands out for its unmatched speed, versatility, and smart functionality. With its exceptional print speed, massive build volume, and user-friendly interface, the Anycubic Kobra 2 takes the crown. Its seamless app integration and outstanding print quality make it an ideal choice for both beginners and professionals alike. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your favorite 3D printer in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care.